Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I will talk to you about dining philosophers problem, and you can read here. I have some basics of understanding, and we will start the thread with the main method, and we're using Java programming on this one. For the solution, objective is to create the demo structure of the philosophers. We're going to make objects of philosophers and also object of chopsticks and see how they consume the resources. In this case, example is fish stick I made. And if they're not eating, they gotta be thinking otherwise, or waiting, in other words. This is the visualization. We have 5 philosophers and 5 chopsticks. And if you notice, there can be only 2 philosophers eating at the same time. The others have to wait for their turn. So we need to make them follow an order. Otherwise, it's going to be a chaos right there. So for that, we're going to say, hey, all philosophers, you got to be thinking now. Then you're going to try to take the left chopstick. Then next, take the right chopstick, and then consume whenever that is happening. Actually, we're going to say as soon as you take the right chopstick, you're going to consume. So consume will come right after here. And then drop the right chopstick, drop the left chopstick. At this point, philosophers will return to thinking. All right, and I'm going to show you the actual code that we started from here. And we have to be implementing runnable interface so that we can override, or where is that? Right here. So these are the nodes. You see this? And this comes from actually runnable, but we don't want to use the runnable run method. So we want to customize ours, which is why we get to do this. And first, all philosophers change to sleep state. Next, take the left chopstick, but check out the synchronized keyword. This is the keyword that enables philosophers eat or consume in the orderly state. And then take the right chopstick. And then as soon as you take the right chopstick, you're also consuming. And then immediately, we're going to say, okay, drop right chopstick, and then return to thinking state. That's the last step that each philosopher do. And you can see the output right here. And I will run it one more time for demo purposes. Now all of them are thinking, and then they're trying to grab the chopsticks. And then immediately one of them grabs the right chopstick and consuming. And a 5 is dropping the right chopstick, so another philosopher can take it. So, and then 4 is taking the right chopstick, and it can consume now because they all have the left chopstick right here. All right, let's go to actual code. And you can see we have constructed the main method and initializing the chopsticks here. And we identify left and right chopsticks incrementally. And then right here, we are making sure that we don't get a deadlock due to circular wait. And then here, as soon as the thread starts, philosopher and its number will print in the console if they're taking the chopstick or if they're consuming now. So let's run this code. And as you can see, I put the philosophers right here, and then the current time, and this could be customized a little bit more, and then colon, and then whatever text there is after. And this could keep going because I didn't add a stopping mechanism in here. But this will be all for this video. Thanks for watching.